Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to work on the Model A. The goal is to put the body onto the frame, but before we can do that, I need to remove all of this and then notch the fender well and then install the subfloor kit onto the body and then put the body onto the frame. Got a lot to do today, so let's get started. Alright, so because we're cutting a lot of stuff today, I don't want it to be super messy in the garage. That's why I push it out here. Plus out here is a lot more spacious and more room to work. Okay, so first thing we gotta do is take this off. Pretty much all of this. Alright, so here's the for the chop. Alright, just threw the body on. Still gotta cut a lot, but I ran out of cutting disc. I used a lot of it. As you can see right here, a lot of rust. All right, that was a lot of work. To recap what I did, I removed the original floor, welded the body to the subfloor, and then bolted down these 6 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I also welded these brackets in the back, right there and here, and these are removable. So in the future, if I want to remove the body from the frame, I just gotta remove these 8 bolts and I lift up the frame. So now with the body on the frame, the stance is a lot better. As you can see, it's definitely lower than what I had on the wooden pallet that I made. So yeah, in the future, I'm going with 750, 16 in the rear. Right now they're 650. And for the front, I'm gonna go with either 650 or 700 for the front. But we'll see. This is the current stance of the car. In the future, when the motor goes on, it should lower the front a little bit more. But yeah, super excited. I'm gonna pull the car outside to check the stance and take some photos. All right, next up, I gotta save some money for the motor and transmission. For this build, I'm going with a small block Chevy. Here's why the SBC made the most sense for me. One, it's cheaper. Parts are easy to find, and I've been seeing a lot of good deals on Facebook Marketplace. 2, the aftermarket is insane. Anything I need, cams, heads, intakes, it's all out there and available in different styles. 3, there are options for every budget. Whether building a 305, a 350 like I am, or going all out with a 383 stroker, there's something for every setup. 4, it's easy to work on, simple design, plenty of room, and no surprises under the hood. 5, finding a decent core is no problem. Junkyards, Craigslist, Marketplace, old trucks. SBCs are everywhere. You don't have to hunt like you do for a good Ford block. 6, it fits just about anything. With all the swap kits out there, it's almost like these things are meant to be dropped into a hot rods like this. 7, more people know how to work on them. That means more help, more tutorials, more forums. 8, transmission choices are wide open. From TH350s to 700 R4s, or even manuals. That give me a lot of options to choose. 9, more horsepower for the dollar. Dollar for dollar, SBC gives you more power, more fun, and more reliability. And 10 is tried and true. These motors have been around forever. They power everything from drag cars to station wagons. It just works. So yeah, those are just a few examples why I decided to go with a small block Chevy. It's the right motor for this build, and I can't wait to drop it in. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.